Okay, let's take a start. Do you know your neighbors?
Yes, I know my neighbor. I meet them daily.
Okay, yes, I know my neighbors very well, and I often meet them almost every other day.
I remember.
And my neighbor is basically a doctor, and he's a very well qualified doctor. So, to answer your question, I know my neighbors very well. Just like this, 4 5 sentences. Okay, let's go on. Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, I like my neighbor. They are very helpful, like my family.
Okay, yes, I like my neighbors. They are very helpful, and my neighbors are quite educated. They have very good manners because of their good mannerism. I like them very much. In this book, answers are short. You have to give at least 5 sentence answer for part one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go on. Why are neighbors important?
Why are neighbor?
Why our neighbors are important for many reasons. Sometimes you need help of
Yes.
someone, your relatives cannot come immediately, your neighbors are living next door.
Yes.
So I think neighbors are very important whenever you are in trouble or in case of any medical emergency.
Yes.
Your neighbors will help you,
Yes.
just like that. Okay, all right. When do you meet your neighbors?
I meet my neighbor every evening time and nearby my park and outside.
Nearby my house there is a park,
Park.
and my neighbor and
I
we go for a
we
walk
go
there.
for a walk there and sometimes we spend time. Each other.
Sometimes we spend time
Each other.
together with
Yes,
each other.
yes.
Okay, all right, that's good. Yeah, this is fine. Almost these are the questions. Now listen, in speaking part one, sometimes the topic can be unusual. Unusual means you don't know things about that, but still you have to answer. And in this book, some answers are too short, but your answer should contain at least 4 to 5 sentences.
Okay, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.